Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to format external hard drive on Mac computer. By the way, if you are new in this channel, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We publish 3 different videos related to tech, photography and travel each week. Anyways, there are a couple of options to format external hard drive on Mac computer. The first option is to use utility software which comes with your hard drive, and you need to install and run it to format. So the other option is to use Mac disk utility, and I'm going to show you how to do it using this option. So let's get started. At first, connect the hard drive with computer and then open Spotlight search. Simply type disk utility and then open the disk utility. External hard drive shows here in the left side when drive is connected with the computer. And then you need to select the drive you want to format. Please make sure that you are selecting the right drive you want to format. Otherwise you might have to regret. And then click on this erase option in the top. Rename the file, and we'll have to choose the file formatting option too. I would recommend you to choose Mac OS Extended Journal option and then click on the erase option again. So the hard drive has been formatted successfully. Now Time Machine is asking whether if I want to take backup, which I'm going to decide later. And the drive I'm using here is 1 terabyte, and equivalent space is now available in the drive, as you can see. So this is how you simply can format your hard drive on your Mac computer. Thanks for watching.